Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and I just wanted to let you know that the team for WagLayla, a proof-of-work meme token project, have came out with their desktop GUI wallet. You can get their wallet by either going to their main website, WagLayla.com, and scrolling down to the socials to click GitHub, or go straight to the GitHub, where you'll be faced with a bunch of their repositories. Not a bunch, but a few of them. The one you're looking for this desktop GUI wallet is Layla-WagDX, which I'll have linked down in the descriptions. You can have Linux distributions, Mac distributions, and Windows, and the team did such a really great job. There's no malicious code in it, and a full audit will be coming on Yeti.uk. To launch it on Unix, you will need to enter in the command /WaylaDX in whichever directory you have it installed. But look at how beautiful the wallet is. The dog is sitting there, the nice little pup, wagging its tail, bobbing its head, and believe it or not, there's sound effects enabled to where transactions or something happens on the Coinbase, you'll be notified, and if you hit a block, it will bark, which I thought was cute. It's neat. You just create a 12 or 24 word seed phrase, follow the on-screen prompts once you launch it, and then make sure you have your seed phrase backed up, and you'll be able to not only manage your wallets or wallets, right? Multiple. You can have multiple here by clicking this little button. You can see the network statistics, where we're at, block rewards. You can see the donation tab where you can donate to help the team out, and you can see what's going on with the node. The about section has additional links to their GitHubs or Discords, Twitters, or X's, and I would recommend joining and hanging out because the Discord is full of good information, good people, and the Twitter is still growing. They're already listed on Bitcoin a exchange or centralized exchange, and the team is continuing to progress. But the desktop wallet, the team Triton and Racken did a great job, and I'm happy to see the end result.